Hey guys! So, I've been doing a lot of thinking lately, and so I decided that it's time to take my YouTube channel more seriously. But, first I thought we ought to address the elephant in the room. You know, I thought long and hard about it, and I figured we could just ignore it. We could just sweep it under the rug like we do with everything else in this family. But we're an all-inclusive family here. Hashtag feminist. We like to make sure that every sister is heard. So we wanted to validate her, let her come forward, express herself, and then we're gonna slather her up with makeup and forget that she ever existed. So, in light of taking things super seriously around here from now on, I thought that we should do a serious video answering all of your guys' serious questions. So I gathered up some of your super serious questions, and the first question is, if you could have one superpower, what would it be? And if I could have one superpower, it would have to be able to do the cinnamon challenge, because like... Did I interrupt your sleeping with your belly up? Oh. The next super serious question says, if you were stranded on a desert island and you could only bring one person, who would it be? I think I'd have to bring the Kool-Aid Man because he seems super fun and fresh, and he'd be like good company, and you can also like drink him when you like get bored or run out of drinks and food. So the next question says, fuck, marry, kill, Donald Trump, Bad Baby, and Jake Paul. Okay, well, first off, we need to kill Bad Baby so that I never have to hear about her ever again. Does that mean to say, next, we're gonna have to fuck Jake Paul? Because think about it, if you didn't know anything about him and you like kind of squint a little, he's still kind of cute, no? And then I guess I'd have to marry Donald Trump by default, but like, who else could say they married the president? Yellow. The next question says, if you were stuck in an elevator with Shawn Mendes and Justin Bieber, who would you make out with? First off, I'm not complaining, but why would I have to make out with one of them just because I'm stuck in an elevator? And of course Justin Bieber, because isn't Shawn Mendes like a little bit derpy? And also James Charles already called him, so don't want to get on his sister's bad side. So the next question says, why is his mouth like that? Mostly just because I'm ugly. So the next question says, are you team Nicki or team Cardi? How dare you? Okay, I can't do the thing. The next question says, why is he lisping? 'Cause I'm fabulous. So the next question says, if you had to choose between tasting a rhinoceros or a flamingo, which would you choose? Okay, do I have to like actually physically eat them? You didn't say I had to eat them, so I could just taste them. So like technically I could just like walk up to the rhinoceros. Okay, if I can just like find a rhinoceros while he's sleeping, and then I can just like walk up to the rhinoceros, and just like lick him, then I've technically tasted a rhinoceros. But I can't imagine that like licking a flamingo would be very fun. And is this like a hypothetical question, or do I have to actually like taste the rhinoceros? I wonder what rhinoceros would taste like. I wonder what flamingo tastes like. Do I really want to know what flamingo tastes like? The questions that keep me up at night. So the next question says, how do you stay so good and fun and sister fresh all the time? So the way that you remember how to do this eye look is first you layer on the mustard, and then you layer on the ketchup, and then you have ketchup and mustard. The goal is to make your eyes look like a hot dog. The next question says, what do you think of the new Shane Dawson series with Jake Paul? So the next super important question that you guys were dying to know the answer to is, who is your dream collab? Trisha Paytas, My Living Room, 12 Junior Bacon Cheeseburgers, Be There or Be Square? Like Avi. So that is it for this makeup look, but we do have one last question. This question looks like it was something that has been on this person's mind for a really long time, and I'm honestly like kind of shocked that they had the courage to even ask me this, and that's Yanni or Laurel? Yanni or Laurel? Yanni or Laurel? No. That is all the questions that I had from you guys today. I'm super glad that we decided to have this conversation. I feel like really wise now, and I just feel a lot better now that we've got to the bottom of this and that we got this off of our chests. And I'm just really glad that you guys had such important and thought-provoking questions for me, and that we could take a more serious and more mature approach to these videos from now on. I just want this to be a safe place where we can take things seriously. That being said, that is it for this video, so like, bye.